Hello everybody, we're going to make stuffed peppers with a Grammie's twist the way I make them. Just my creation, what I came up with. Now this is everything that I had here at home. I didn't have to go out and buy. I had the ground turkey that I was going to use for something else. We're also using Knorr, rice side, cheddar and cheese broccoli. We're going to be using this. I've got that all made up. And we're going to be using some spaghetti sauce of your choice. And I'm using red peppers picked from our garden. Don't they look beautiful? From the garden to the table, I'm making this for you. And it's going to be our supper. I'm not going to show you the final results. I'm going to show you how to put it together another night. I don't know when Ray's coming home. That's a lot of evenings. Sorry, but that's just the way it is for us here. So I wanted to share with you how I put it together. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put these in the microwave for 3 minutes. That's right, just 3 minutes. So I'll bring you back and see what I did. I cut out the top, off the top, and it's all hollow inside, just like that. Whoops, another top fell off, so I'll bring you back. Okay, these are in the microwave for 3 minutes. You might still see the steam coming off them. That's all you need. So what I'd like to do is I'm using some Fester blend cheese of Monterey Jack, cheddar, and that's it. And I'm just going to put a little bit like this, a little bit like this, and a little bit like this. Then what I'm going to do is your favorite tomato sauce. I'm just going to pour in, just like this. Now this is done with a Grammie's twist, just remember that, okay? Nothing fancy in this house. Then we're going to put just a little bit of this rice. That's so good. And it's the Cheddar Broccoli Knorr. And this gives it a lot of flavor. A little bit more in like this, a little bit like this. If you're wondering, Maggie's outdoors, the wind's blowing, my son's out back hunting, but she's in her closed-in area. Now we're gonna take some turkey, ground turkey, and we're gonna go like this. We're just going to spoon it right in. This is a nice healthy meal. It fills you up. And there's 3 here. If my son wants to stay, I don't know if he does, he can have this with a side salad or something else. I'm not sure. Just like that. Then what you want to do, you want to put some sauce in. Then you want to put some more. Then you want to put some more. And whatever I got left over, I'll come up with another meal. Because can't be wasting, not in this household. I don't think anybody can afford to be wasting at this point in time. And we're going to put a little bit more in. We've got plenty here. Just like this. Now you can put this in the oven at 350 for a half an hour, and you can put parchment over the top and then aluminum foil. Or you can put it back in the microwave because everything's cooked for about, depending on your microwave, anywhere from 5 to 7 minutes. Now where I don't know when Ray's coming home, I will probably do the oven method, but I'm not for sure. Okay. Just like this. And I am going to get 2 meals out of this 1 pound of ground turkey, which sounds awesome to me. When you get 2 meals, 2 or 3 meals, that's good. Yes, there is only 2 of us. I understand that. So that does make a little bit of a difference. Does anybody make this? And if so, how do you make yours? I'd be interested to hear your comments down below. There. And we'll just put a tad more. A little dab will do you. Always good to start with clean hands, isn't it? Just like this. Okay. Don't want no messes here. And then we're going to take a little bit more cheese. We're just going to put this right on top. Just like this. This will be really yummy. Then what you want to do is you want to put the caps back on. I'm not saying they're going to be on perfect. Sometimes the little green, excuse me, the green stems I will leave on, but when I cut them, they were so fresh, they just popped right out. There, look at that. Now, I'm not going to be skimpy on the sauce. We're just going to load it up. Excuse me. Just like this. There. Get it all out here. Well, I was told at my Dollar Tree that the 100% organic pumpkin is hard to find, so if you guys are all looking for that, if you find it, you better get 3 or 4 cans if you can and put it back in your pantry. Our Dollar Tree said there will be no more coming in, not even for Thanksgiving, because they cannot get it. So I just want to wipe this up right here. I just thought I'd share that with you. I guess Maggie May still doesn't want to come in. Okay. And this is all you do, folks. Just like this. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that thumbs up, because you never know what's going to be on my videos. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring you back and show you how I put the parchment over and the aluminum foil, so it'll be ready to go, because when he calls me, it takes about a half an hour to get home. So, like I said, if you have not subscribed to my channel, hit that bell, ring-a-ding-ding, and you'll get all notifications when I put a video out, because you never know what's going to be on my videos. And today is garden to table fresh stuffed peppers. Everything I've already had in the pantry or the refrigerator. The ground turkey, the Knorr cheddar cheese broccoli, the peppers grown here at the farm, the cheese I had in the refrigerator, and the spaghetti sauce I had put back in the pantry. So there you go, a meal made from the pantry. So I'll bring you back. I'm back, and what did I do here, the parchment? I went out and I buy the big full-size sheets. I get 1,000 at a time of parchment, and I just cut it in half and then cut it again. So you want to piece the size of your pan. Here it is right here. How beautiful does this look? It's going right over. And then what you're going to do is, I took these foil sheets that you can buy at the Dollar Tree. Again, nothing I had to go out and buy. Everything I had here. And you put the foil sheet over, tuck it around really nice, put it in the oven, 350, about 30 minutes. And if you don't want to do that, leave the aluminum foil off, put the parchment over good, put it in your microwave between 5 and 10 minutes, depending on your microwave watts. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. And again, this is from the Sea Farm Brenda, MAINEiac Grammie, from growing my own peppers and everything I had here at home, right from the pantry to table. Bye now. Have a good night. Be safe. God bless.